client reached out to us to demolish a former preparation plant. What the plant did was took coal and turned it into a slurry mixture, and the slurry mixture was piped to an area west of this facility a couple hundred miles. So our goal was to demolish all of the structures, all of the admin buildings, preparation plant, coal hoppers, to the pump building. Very large pumps in this building that weighed about 60,000 pounds each. That was our goal, to get all the steel and everything out. The first part of the job was to remove all the asbestos. A subcontractor came in and removed asbestos. All the chemicals were removed from the site, transported off-site to different disposal facilities, and then the demolition began on all the office buildings and the steel structures. All of the steel was sent to recyclers here in the Phoenix area, and once all the steel was removed, all of the concrete foundations were removed, broke up, sized, and sent to different recycle facilities for disposal on the concrete. Approximately 400 truckloads of material, 10,000 tons total, was removed from the facility. Once everything was removed from this facility, everything was regraded, shaped, and just set to its normal stage, reclaimed for wildlife, horses, cows, and things like that to be used in that area. Safety was a main concern. There was a lot of high structures, 160-foot tall coal hoppers that got turned over. Safety was number one with our crew and all the subcontractors. We had multiple subcontractors on site. We had hazardous chemicals. We had transformers, things like that, high work. So daily safety meetings, groups were gathered up to discuss work and safety daily. So that was our first concern on the site, was safety for sure. Keeping the public out. It was kind of in a rural area, but a lot of people like to stop by and see what's going on, and just keeping people out and communicating with everybody was key. We were chosen to do this project from our presentation of how we were going to do the different stages of demo in this area. Our presentation with the subcontractor was very successful in how we were going to lay down the 160-foot tall coal hoppers, and just our approach with working with the locals and all the authorities in the area. I believe that's why we were chosen to do this project, along with our expertise in the demo field. We have a large amount of heavy equipment in our fleet, along with the subcontractors. This job took some extremely large excavators. We had excavators from small 320 size all the way up to 395 Caterpillar excavators, with a variety of different high reaches, special equipment to pull high things down, to shear items up, breakers, steel processors. So we had about 10 pieces of equipment on this project. I personally took a lot of pride in that job. I was actually out there overseeing the site, and that was a very large demo project, and very fulfilling to me to see how that turned out. Finishing the job, yes, we did finish on time. Our client was very pleased with the results of the way the area was left in place as far as regrading, reclaiming the land. So the project was very successful, and our client was extremely happy with us.